Do you want to watch movie?
Yes, I want to watch movie.
Do they want to watch movie?
Yes, they want to watch movie.
Does he want to watch movie?
Yes, he wants to watch movie.
Does she want to watch movie?
Yes, she wants to watch movie.
Does Raju want to watch movie?
Yes, Raju wants to watch movie.
Does Rani want to watch movie?
Yes, Rani wants to watch movie. Do you want to play cricket?
Yes, I want to play cricket.
Do they want to play cricket? Yes, they want to play cricket. Does he want to play cricket?
Yes, he wants to play cricket.
Does she want to play cricket?
Yes, she wants to play cricket.
Does Raju want to play cricket? Yes, Raju wants to play cricket. Does Rani want to play cricket? Yes, Rani wants to play cricket.
Do you want to learn English?
Yes, I want to learn English.
Do they want to learn English? Yes, they want to learn English. Does he want to learn English?
Yes, he wants to learn English.
Does she want to learn English?
Yes, she wants to learn English.
Does Raju want to learn English?
Yes, Raju wants to learn English.
Does Rani want to learn English?
Yes, Rani wants to learn English. Do you want to become a doctor?
Yes, I want to become a doctor.
Do they want to become a doctor? Yes, they want to become a doctor. Does he want to become a doctor?
Yes, he wants to become a doctor.
Does she want to become a doctor? Yes, she wants to become a doctor. Does Raju want to become a doctor?
Yes, Raju wants to become a doctor.
Does Rani wants to become a doctor?
Yes, Rani wants to become a doctor. Do you want take coffee?
Yes, I want take coffee.
Do they want take coffee?
Yes, they want to take coffee.
Does he wants to take coffee?
Yes, she wants to take coffee.
Does she wants to take coffee?
Yes, she wants to take coffee.
Does Raju wants to take coffee?
Yes, Raju wants to take coffee.
Does Rani wants to take coffee?
Yes, Rani wants to take coffee. Do you want to buy a car?
Yes, I want to buy a car.
Do they want to buy a car?
Yes, they want to buy a car.
Does he want to buy a car?
Yes, he wants to buy a car.
Does she want to buy a car?
Yes, she wants to buy a car.
Does Raju want to buy a car?
Yes, Raju wants to buy a car.
Does Rani want to buy a car?
Yes, Rani wants to buy a car. Do you want to speak English?
Yes, I want to speak English.
Do they want to speak English?
Yes, they wants to speak English.
Does he want to speak English?
Yes, she wants to speak English.
Does she want to speak English?
Yes, she wants to speak English.
Does Raju want to speak English?
Yes, Raju wants to speak English.
Does Rani want to speak English?
Yes, Rani wants to speak English.
We are learning spoken English with Srinivas sir in Mary Memorial High School, Gudeballur, and we are sharing with all of you in this video. Thank you.